In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can publish our single page application. Now that we have covered how to create a customer, how to update a customer, how to list the customers, I would like you to practice how to delete and search customers. So that is an exercise for you all, and here we'll see how we can publish our single page application. So the first thing that you need to do is just go to solution, select the project over here, SPA, and then go to build, and here you'll find publish, and then the name of your project will appear. So when you'll click on that, you'll be presented with this screen. Now here you can just click on start to proceed with the publishing, and once you do that, you'll see various options coming up. For instance, you have Azure App Services. You can install it on App Service Linux, Azure Virtual Machines, IIS, FTP, etc., and then a folder. So here, when you say folder, it is going to put this path by default that has been released in Netcore 2.2 publish. Now inside this directory, we'll be publishing our application. So we'll say create profile, and here you can see the name is coming as folder profile. So you can just go ahead and rename this. So instead of folder profile, you can say publish local and click on save. Just give it a meaningful name, that's all. And then you can just go ahead and click on publish. Here you have few options as well. It says delete existing file. I would recommend doing that. So inside file publish options, you can go and select delete all existing files prior to publish. Click on save, and that's pretty much it that you need to do. After this, just click on publish, and here you can see it has started the publish process now. Once the build process is completed, you will notice over here that the status says web app was published successfully, and here the message is also coming up. As you can see, it assumes that the project was built, assuming it is hosted at the server root. You can control this with the homepage field in your package.json file. And here's example is being provided, and it further says that the build folder is ready to be deployed, and you can serve it with a static server using serve -s build, and you can find more information about it over here. So now let's go ahead and check out the directory. So click on this link by pressing the control button and mouse left click, and here you go. This is the app that has been generated. You can see all the DLLs. The project DLL itself is there, and runtime configuration, web.config file, package log.json, app settings.json, dependency.json, and then inside the client app directory you have the build, and then static and every other related file, which includes service worker, manifest, index, and inside static you'll find CSS and JS file. So that's how easy it is to create single page application using ASP.NET Core and React.js template.